because Pujya Gurudev was also king of Swarajya Samrajya, as Shankaracharya ji mentions. He was the king of the kingdom of his own self. So here is Pujya Gurudev's Garjana. Gurudev Aj Avyaya Avinashi Vedanta Kesari Bharat Gaurava Gita Jnana Yajna Pracharaka Moksha Laksha Prakashaka Sadhaka Jivana Parivartaka Shatakoti Yuvajana Preraka Sanatana Dharma Samrakshaka Vishwa Hindu Sangrahaka Brahma Simhasanadhishwara Maharaj Yogiraj Sadgurunath Swami Chinmayananda Maharaj Ki Jai Swami Chinmayananda Maharaj Ki Jai Swami Chinmayananda Maharaj Ki Jai Hari Om.